This is what we're doing. Tissue, corner, bleach, pure bleach. The goal is to starve it from getting oxygen. So covered it, got one patch. Stay with me now. I'm gonna do the other side. I'll be back. All right. All right, boys and girls. So finishing up right here. It's the last piece. I might do this little corner here. I'm just weighting it down, and I'm gonna push it in with my trusty stick. So pretty much, this is what you do. Get all that space out is what the internet said. And I got a little pocket down here, and I just kind of squished it in. I'm gonna get that too, but this is to test my theory. I think it's gonna work. I mean, that CLR did a little something, but bleach is bleach. And I already had it. So again, if it's a cheap fix and get you squared away, hey man, it's a cheap fix. So that's my little cheap stick I use. So if that gets my little tough places done, hey, I'm with it. So your boy's out. Check back with me in 24 hours. I'll let y'all know. Thanks for like, watch, and subscribe. Get out there and fix something. I'm out. Boys and girls, we are back over 12 hours later to see, did the internet lie? Y'all seeing it just like I'm seeing it? Let's see, did the internet lie? Holy shit, the internet did not lie. As you can see, the internet didn't lie. The internet said, if you get it on there good, it's going to now y'all know I gotta wash my hands really good with this. But yeah, I see the problem. Yeah. Alright, the internet was not lying, y'all. Alright, let's go in here. Pull it out. Pretty good. A little bit right there, but I knew that's what it's gonna be. Oh man, that looks pretty good. A little bit. But I can see where the caulk is failed. And if you can see under there, that's how the water is getting in under the caulk. But the internet did not lie. I'm so glad. But we still going to have to cut this caulk out anyway, because there's obviously gaps behind it. All right, y'all. Bleach, tissue. That's it. I'm out. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good one.